New to Opal Transfer? Welcome to the club. You are in good hands here. The guys from Opal really know what they do. They've been into money transfers for over 17 years now, and hundreds of thousands of people just like me and you trust them. Okay, let's see how you can register with Opal Transfer fast and easily now.
First, you just open the Opal Transfer app. Go to Register Now option. Select the language you prefer. Choose your native country from the list. Type down your first name or names if you have more. Choose your gender. Type down your family name, your personal email address, mobile number with the country's prefix, and your date of birth, starting with the day, month, and year. At the bottom of the page, you just need to tick the box with the terms and conditions. I do recommend you to also tick the first box, even if this is optional, if you want to receive news from Opal. It's always good to know about any promotions or updates. Make sure you check all these fields and tap the button to continue. On a second screen, you just need to choose your country of residence. Then you type down the address you live at. If you currently live in the UK, it's easier to just type down the postcode and find the address automatically by tapping Find My Address button. Select your address from the list provided. You can also introduce the address manually if you cannot find your address in that list. The next screen asks you to create a password for your security. It's good to use a password that you can easily remember. For example, a combination of letters and numbers. Type it down in the first field and type it again in the second field. If you want to make sure you type down the password you have in mind, you can always check by tapping the cross-eyed symbol on the right. Done? Great. Just tap the button Start Saving. The last step is to create a PIN. Using just this 4-digit number that you create now, it will be faster for you to log in each time you want, without having to type down your email address and password anymore. Repeat the number you choose and that's it. Well done! Now you are ready to enjoy your first money transfer.
Isn't that easy? I hope this helps. And please, enjoy the new app. It's gonna make your life easier. If you have any further questions, please contact the Opal team. These guys are always here to help you with good advice and tips.